Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. On our interior, we've got a black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging. And up the tailgate here, we got a power tailgate, all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, heated seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, navigation, nice burl walnut trim, dual climate controls, our radio, cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has 24,505 miles, Carfax and service records available. To view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.